Did you know that the average household debt has reached record highs, and most people will spend over 30 years of their lives paying interest to banks? Everyone tells you the solution is consolidation loans or bankruptcy. But what if I told you that these solutions are actually traps designed to keep you enslaved to the system forever? In this detailed guide, I'm going to reveal the debt sniper strategy. It is the exact aggressive method used by Dave Ramsey and financial experts to eliminate debt in record time, not by math, but by behavior modification. Let's begin.
Welcome back. The problem we all face with debt isn't just the numbers, it's the shame spiral. You feel stuck, embarrassed, and paralyzed. You ignore the calls, you don't open the mail. That fear is what keeps the debt growing. So in today's comprehensive video, we are not just giving tips, we are building the debt-free blueprint. This map has 3 massive phases: the psychology, the strategy, and the acceleration. If you miss the acceleration phase, you will quit halfway. Stay until the end for a 24-hour challenge that will stop the bleeding immediately.
Let's start with Phase 1, the war mindset. Imagine you are in a house that is on fire. You don't sit on the couch and negotiate with the fire. You run. Debt is a fire. You must treat it like an emergency. The scientific reason you are still in debt is normalization. Society tells you debt is normal. A car payment is normal. A mortgage is normal. No, debt is risk. Debt is slavery. Until you get angry at your debt, you will never get rid of it. You need to stop being a victim and start being a warrior.
But wait a moment. Here is where 90% of people fall into the trap. Most people try to use logic to fight debt. They pay the highest interest rate first, the avalanche method. Mathematically, this is correct, but biologically, it fails. Why? Because we need quick wins to stay motivated. And before we dive into the specific steps, if you are one of the 1% who refuses to be a slave to the banks, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We are building a community of financially free warriors, and we want you on the front lines with us. So, instead of math, we are going to use psychology. We are going to flip the script. Now, let's fill in Phase 2, the snowball method. Here is the step-by-step plan. Step 1, list your enemies. Write down every single debt you have, from smallest balance to largest. Ignore the interest rate. Step 2, pay minimums. Pay the minimum payment on everything except the smallest debt. Step 3, attack the runt. Throw every single extra dollar at the smallest debt. Sell things, work extra hours, eat rice and beans. Kill that small debt. Step 4, roll it over. Once the small debt is gone, take the money you were paying on it and add it to the payment for the next smallest debt. By the time you reach the big debts, your payment snowball will be massive. Phase 3 is acceleration. You cannot budget your way out of a hole if your shovel is too small. You need a bigger shovel. For the next 6 months, you need to go into monk mode. No restaurants, no vacations, no new clothes. And crucially, you need a side hustle. Drive Uber, freelance, sell stuff on eBay. Remember, this isn't forever. It's just for 6 months to buy your freedom for the rest of your life. We are almost there, but this is the most dangerous part. Without this, you will be back in debt within a year. It's called the relapse. Just like a dieter who loses weight and gains it back, many people pay off debt and then celebrate by buying a new car. The enemy is not the bank. The enemy is the person in the mirror. You must cut up the credit cards. Literally, plastic surgery for your wallet. So, this is your blueprint to freedom. Getting out of debt is simple, but it's not easy. It requires sacrifice. Here is your 24-hour challenge. Close this video, find one item in your house worth at least $50 that you don't need, and list it for sale on Facebook Marketplace or eBay.
Use that money to make an extra payment on your smallest debt. Just one item. Start the snowball. Write debt-free soon in the comments if you accept. Finally, if this video gave you hope, hit the like button to help us fight the algorithm and spread financial literacy. Share this with one friend who is drowning in payments. See you at the top. Peace.